Hello there, good day to you. You are welcome back into another awesome tutorial. Today, I want to show you a tool that will save you hours of time in creating massive content every single day. That is to say, all you have to do is to come to this particular website and just type the name of the content that you intend to create. What this particular website is going to do is that it's going to give you details, a step-by-step details on the trending and current trending topic that is actually on that particular niche that you have chosen. For example, if I come to this particular website here and this I'm going to enter the topic here. For example, I want to talk about freelancing. I'm going to type freelancing, and I'm going to come to the particular place that I want to talk about this particular freelancing. I want to talk about it on YouTube. Once I've searched it, I'm going to come to AC search, and I'm just going to click on search once like this. You understand? Once I click on search once like this, it's going to give me, as you can see, it has given me 2,327 results on YouTube on the particular topic known as freelancing. And these are the results that has actually shown to me based on the preferences of their CPC. You understand? The first one say what is freelancing? As you can see, the first one, it says what is freelancing skills? As you can see, you understand? Now look at it here. It says what is freelancing job? You understand? It say what freelancing be done on phone? You understand? All these particular topics are relevant trending topics that you can actually create content on their basis. You understand? I hope you enjoy this video. And the name of this particular website is known as answerthepublic.com. As you can see, answerthepublic.com, and this is the logo. I hope you enjoy this video. Peace. Obrigado.